What's going on? Hey, if you are trying to take photos of yourself and maybe you want to change the image of yourself, maybe you want to change the background, maybe you want to change your outfit, maybe you have a photo of a team at your company and someone left the team and you need to remove them. Well, then this video is for you because I'm going to show you right now how to use Google Gemini's Nano Banana and have it automatically make changes for you for your original image of yourself without changing like your facial features. Because for the longest time, AI would change your facial features or your overall look, but not anymore with Google Gemini's Nano Banana. All right. You can go there by basically going to Google Gemini, gemini.google.com, and then you can go ahead and sign in. You can use your Gmail account. Now, here's the deal. If you have a Gmail account, you're going to be able to have access to this up to a certain degree. Now, if you have a Google Workspace account, such as a custom Google Workspace email like I do right here, you're going to have access to it up to even a further degree. But eventually, you're going to get shut off on this stuff. But regardless, try it out because it's super cool. You can go in here. You can upload any image. I could take some sort of headshot. Let's just take this one. Sure. Boom. And then I could give it instructions. Let's say, hey, keep the original image of this person. Do not change their face or any of their features, but I want you to change their outfit. I want you to give them a purple raincoat that hangs to the floor, and I want you to give them a green fedora and some very, very goofy sunglasses. Okay, I'll type that in. Let's click boom. Let's launch this thing and let's see what this does. While Gemini is loading, I want to give you some other examples of what it's done here for me. Here's a team photo of a real estate team. And you can see here between these two photos, we actually had to remove someone from the team because they're no longer on the team. So we took them out with just one quick boom. Here's an example of me where I uploaded an image and I kept altering it and adding to it. I said, add balloons behind me, add in my logo in the background. Hey, take this image of me and have me hold a birthday cake with 100 candles, okay? Here's another example over here with this thumbnail where I just took an original headshot and had it create a thumbnail for me. So if you're creating thumbnail content for social media, think Instagram, think YouTube, think TikTok, wherever, use Google Gemini to do this for you. Here's an example where I've been using the same headshot over and over again. I said, hey, tweak it. Give me a blue suit instead with a blue shirt. And it did that and kept my original face. Then I said, hey, let's tweak this into some sort of thumbnail where I'm actually talking about this video right now. And I can create the thumbnail for me very, very quickly. So this is the new age of taking original image content and altering it to your liking. It's here, it's now, and it's amazing. Let's go back to this image, see how it did. All right, there we go. Not bad at all. Yeah, it kept that look. Look at that. Boom. All right, so this is Google Gemini. You can access it here through Nano Banana. Again, I uploaded my image right here. And now here's the important part right here is you can click to add Nano Banana right here by creating images. All right, or it can interpret it on its own, but you can also add the image button. Go check this out. I'm Jared Larkin with Chicago Title. Follow along milehighTitleGuy.com where I share tons of marketing resources, tools, specifically really for the real estate community. But if you found me somewhere else, this might be helpful for you as well. I share weekly emails on stuff like this. Follow along. And if you're in the Colorado area, come on out. I teach classes, events. Would love to connect with you. We'll see you soon in the next video.